What moves you? Is it what you see? Is it what you discover? At Panasonic, air conditioning is more than just about cool air. It's about how cool air is delivered to create a living space of pure comfort. For the perfect cooling experience, we have designed air conditioners that deliver comfort through direct and indirect cooling. The Sky Series, with the flexible sky wing, angles downwards to deliver powerful cool air at startup. The new Aero Series, with the Aero Wings twin flaps, deliver concentrated cool air straight to you the moment you switch on the air conditioner. It's the feeling of being greeted with a blast of cool air the moment you step indoors on a hot day. The Sky Series Skywing directs cool air towards ceiling and walls to remove the heat trapped in these surfaces. This cooling method is inspired by caves, where the cool surfaces create an all-round cooling effect. Radiant cooling prevents excessive cooling, so that your skin stays moist and supple. For Aero Series, Aero Wings directs cool air upwards to spread cool air evenly and gently across the room before showering down on you. Enjoy the feeling that gently washes over you like a cool morning. Cooling has never been this gentle and yet extremely effective. For overall well-being, Panasonic air conditioners feature an advanced air purification system called Nano-EG, which releases active ions that attach to particles as small as PM 2.5. These particles are then removed from the air and brought back to the filter. Sky Series also features an additional dust sensor, which constantly monitors air quality. When a high level of particle concentration is detected, it automatically activates Nano-EG. Breathe in cleaner air with Nano-EG. Enjoy clean, cool air while saving energy. Inverter varies compressor rotation speed to maintain the set temperature very precisely. With this, Panasonic inverter air conditioners can deliver exceptional energy-saving performance while ensuring you're always comfortable. Aero Series comes with the additional EcoNavi intelligent eco sensors, which monitor human presence, movement, and sunlight intensity, working with inverter to reduce wasteful energy consumption. Enjoy greater savings on electricity bills without compromising comfort. Now, like never before, Panasonic air conditioners give you ultimate control over how cool, clean air is enjoyed, and still be able to deliver significant energy savings, so that you may create a living space that doesn't just inspire, but is truly moving. Air that moves you.
Panasonic.